Hello James, my name is Zurab and I'm taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Yamaha Fazer 800. The price is $78.88 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle has very low mileage on it. It's only 67 kilometers. You can look at it here on the dash. Yeah, right there. It was in another dealership as an overstock, so we purchased from them. The bike is like new. There are no damages, no scratches. It comes with the battery lead to charge the battery. There is no warranty unfortunately left since it's 2013, but you can purchase the third part aftermarket warranties. There are different packages. This is just to have a rough idea for 1 year, 2 year and 3 year packages what it's gonna cost. If you have any questions regarding this bike, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.